Each Snickers contains 4 signature layers: rich milk chocolate, gooey caramel packed with roasted peanuts. Welcome to the Mars Wrigleyum factory in Waco, Texas. A facility of this scale requires immense precision.
Stage 1. Milk chocolate preparation. Snickers bars are coated in Mars' signature milk chocolate recipe, and the process begins with premium cocoa beans.
Industrial stone mills grind the nibs continuously. The friction generates enough heat to melt the natural cocoa butter.
The critical final step is tempering. The chocolate must be cooled to exactly 82 degrees Fahrenheit, then reheated.
Over 8,000 pounds of perfectly tempered milk chocolate now flows into heated holding tanks, ready to coat thousands of Snickers bars.
Stage 2. Roasting Virginia peanuts. Peanuts are the defining ingredient in Snickers bars, and this facility processes 65 tons daily.
Fresh Virginia peanuts, chosen for their large size and rich flavor, arrive in 2,000-pound bulk bags. They're emptied into a vibratory intake hopper.
As hot peanuts exit at 180 degrees Fahrenheit, they immediately tumble into a rotating salt drum. The residual...
Stage 3. Cooking Snickers caramel. The gooey caramel layer is what makes Snickers distinctively chewy, and it's produced splitter. Industrial scale mixers combine 4 essential ingredients: corn syrup for viscosity and chewiness.
Temperature accuracy is absolutely critical to Snickers consistency. If the caramel only reaches 240 degrees,
Once the target temperature is achieved, the hot caramel immediately flows through heated transfer pipes. Here's where
The caramel peanut mixture pours onto a cooling conveyor belt set at 65 degrees Fahrenheit, where it's spread into a uniform sheet.
Industrial mixer whipping egg whites into stiff white peaks.
Stage 4. Creating Snickers nougat. The fluffy nougat base layer gives Snickers its distinctive light texture that contrasts with the dense caramel peanut layer.
the process starts with fresh egg whites delivered daily from local suppliers. These are beaten in massive 500.
This hot syrup is swirled into the whipped egg white.
Next comes Snickers' secret weapon, creamy peanut butter. The factory adds 200 pounds per nougat batch, mixing for 5 minutes at medium speed.
The hot nougat is immediately deposited onto a continuous sheeting line, where precision rollers flatten it to exactly 0.8 inches thick.
Stage 5, building the Snickers layers. This is where the Snickers bar takes its iconic 3-layer structure.
A series of gentle compression rollers apply exactly 5 pounds per square inch of pressure, bonding the 2 layers without squashing them.
The strips then pass under a high-speed rotary cutter with 48 synchronized blades that chop perpendicular.
The cut bars, still showing their naked nougat and caramel layers, now proceed to the most visually spectacular stage, chocolate enrobing.
Stage 6, chocolate coating. This is the visual centerpiece where Snickers bars receive their iconic milk chocolate coating. Bars pass through a continuous waterfall of liquid milk chocolate, the famous enrobing curtain that cascades down from overhead nozzles at 40 gallons per minute.
Immediately after enrobing, the bars pass under a specialized decorator nozzle that applies the signature Snickers wave pattern on top, using slightly cooler chocolate at 85 degrees.
The viscosity is holding steady at 200 centipoise.
Good. I'll increase the temperature by 1 degree Celsius.
The fully coated Snickers bars now enter the cooling tunnel set at 55 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing the chocolate shell to crystallize.
From raw cocoa beans and peanuts to wrapped Snickers bar, the complete journey takes 6 hours. From this Texas...
This Mars Riglos Texas has operated continuously since 1976, producing 160 billion Snickers.
From premium cocoa beans and Virginia peanuts to the Snickers bar satisfying hunger worldwide, industrial confectionery manufacturing at massive scale.
We ensure the perfect balance of chocolate, nougat, and our signature caramel and peanuts. It's the commitment of our team